Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Neapolitan cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 cup of freeze-dried strawberries, and you just want to pulse those in a NutriBullet. So you want 1/2 cup before you pulse them. Then you need a cup of unsalted butter, softened, that's 2 sticks, 1 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 large egg, and then we're going to break the other one and just use the yolk out of it. So you'll need 2 eggs total, 1 whole egg and 1 yolk. Then you need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, red food coloring to get the pink color of the cookie, and then 2 tablespoons of the dark cocoa powder. So I have a special dark. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Alright, next I just added my baking soda and my salt to my flour and just gave that a good whisk, and then go ahead and set that to the side. Alright, now in a large bowl we're going to beat our 2 sticks of butter with an electric mixer on medium speed for 1 minute. Alright, next go ahead and add in the sugar and beat that for 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, next add in your whole egg, your egg yolk, and your vanilla and beat it until it's all combined. Alright, now we're slowly going to add in our dry ingredients and just beat that to combine. Alright, my dough is all ready to go. I used my mixer as much as I could, and then I just used a spatula to really get that all nice and combined. So next we are just going to go ahead and dump this out onto a work surface. I just have parchment paper here that I'm going to dump it out onto, and then I'm going to divide it evenly into 3 parts. Alright, those look pretty even to me. So 1 we're going to leave alone, of course, because that is going to be the vanilla. And then to 1 we're going to add into a large bowl and add the pulsed strawberries and the red food coloring. Alright, I'm actually really happy with how my pink turned out. I just used a little bit of food coloring and just really worked it in there with my hands. So next to the 3rd color, we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of our dark cocoa powder and just mix that in to get the real dark chocolate color. Alright, my chocolate is all ready to go now too. I did as much as I could with a spatula, and then you just really get in there with your hands. So there's my chocolate, my vanilla, and my strawberry. So now if you want to go ahead and pinch off, you should be able to make 15 of these. I might try to do more, but I'm going to pinch off 15 of each of these into balls. Alright, so I am making a lot more than 15 cookies. Each of those, what they said to do into 15, I am actually doing into probably 30, because I'm at least doubling it. So I'm taking my little cookie scooper, because that really does make them look like ice cream scoops. Then I'm putting the chocolate, you can see my little layers here, chocolate, vanilla, and then the strawberry, and then just scooping it out. And so this is what they should look like on your cooking sheet. Then we are going to put them in the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. So my first batch came out. They cooked for 10 minutes. Look how adorable they look. And they are still super duper gooey. So I'm going to leave them on here for about 10 minutes before moving them to a cooling rack. Alright, all of my cookies are out of the oven, and I did let the rest of my batches cook for 12 minutes instead of 10. They just were too gooey. So that is totally up to you. And then I just put them on a cooling rack to cool completely. But I am so happy with the way they turned out. I think they're adorable. And if you don't have a cookie scoop, don't worry about that. You could just roll these, and I mean, they would still look really cute. So we are going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester! Hi. Have a little taste. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.